This is the Hello World Podcast.
And then, syempre, at the start, we had some pilot classes. At that time, we had only about 20 programs, a mix of, syempre, largely self-paced because we want to introduce palang the people to online learning. So you can't really run a program kagad-kagad, di ba?
Yes.
So just, introduce by curating mga micro-learning courses. So, and then we also had like, sige, maglagay tayo ng mandatory, like safety, ganyan, code of conduct. But of course, as we went along, kumbaga, the pilot courses were also part of the testing pa rin. So we were getting feedback from the employees who were going through the programs, and we were getting their feedback not just on the courses but also on the system, especially since we were catering to people all across the Philippines.
It's a major change, no? To introduce an LMS.
Yes. So, pilot lang muna. While we launched it in the town hall, the courses were, just bits and pieces, and we're trying it out in several locations, in several levels of the organization. So, when January of 2020 came, that's when we started to do cascades per function, per business unit, because now we're introducing it in full. Okay, so we're going to have an LMS. This is how it works. These are the courses, etc. This is how you navigate through it. So people get to know about it. So hands-on yun. Aside from the cascades to the employees, we were also going through train the trainers for our subject matter experts. We had an existing pool of trainers, but we had to tell them, oops, shift tayo, friends.
Yes.
Iba na rin yung how do we design programs online? How do we deliver it online? So, sige. So, we started all these cascades in orientation first quarter of the year. March, dumating si COVID, right?
Yes.
So, when we completed the cascades, COVID happened.
Okay. You had the chance to complete the cascades until Feb. Okay. Perfect timing in a way, no?
Thank you, Lord. Perfect timing. So when COVID happened, we were ready to shift.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.